Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to create home screen folders on your Google Pixel phone. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna pick the app you want to add to your folder, and you're gonna hold it, and then you're gonna drag it to the other app that you want to be in your folder. So for example, I'm gonna do Chrome and Play Store, and so I'm gonna drag on top of it, and you can see that an outline has appeared. So if I release it, you can see that a folder has been created. So if I go into it, and if I want to rename it, I can click on the name, and then I'm gonna add a name, and I can click apply, and you can see that the name has changed now. So I can access my folder, click on the app, and the app is gonna launch. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.